In this quick Viber tutorial, we will learn how to change your Viber name. If you want to update your Viber display name so new friends can recognize you easily, this guide covers the simple steps to edit your Viber profile on both Android and iPhone. Maybe you created your Viber account years ago with a nickname you no longer like, or perhaps you just want to update your profile to look more professional. Your display name is the first thing people see when you message them, especially if they do not have your number saved in their contacts yet. I'm your host, and in this short guide, we're going to walk through the settings menu to update your identity on the app. We will cover exactly where to find the Edit Profile button and how to save your changes so they appear instantly to all your contacts. By the end of this video, your profile will look exactly the way you want it to. To make this change, you only need your smartphone, whether it's an Android or an iPhone. You must have the Viber app installed and be logged into your account. An internet connection is also necessary to save the changes to the Viber servers. Let's update your profile. Open the Viber app on your phone. On the main screen, look at the bottom right corner for the More button, which usually looks like 3 dots or lines. Tap on that to open the main menu options. At the very top of this menu, you will see your current profile picture and your current name. You need to tap directly on that area, specifically on the pencil icon or the Edit button located near your photo. This will take you to the Edit Details screen. Here, you will see a text field containing your current Viber display name. Tap on that field, delete the old name, and type in your new one. You can use your full name, a nickname, or even emojis if you want to be creative. Once you're happy with the new name, look for the Save or Done button, usually located in the top right corner. Tap it, and your name is instantly updated. It's important to remember that this Viber display name is what people who don't have you saved in their phone's address book will see. If a friend has you saved in their phone's address book as Mom or Bestie, Viber will prioritize that contact name over your display name on their screen. However, for new acquaintances or in group chats, your Viber name is what everyone sees, so it's a good idea to keep it recognizable. What if the name doesn't change? If you updated it but your friends say they still see the old one, it might be a syncing delay. Ask them to restart their Viber app or check their internet connection. Also, ensure you actually hit the Save button before exiting the menu. If you just go back, the changes will be discarded. If you receive an error message, make sure you're not using prohibited special characters or that the name isn't too long. So we've reached the end of our guide. We have learned how to change your Viber name by accessing the Edit Profile menu. We understand that this name serves as your public identity on the app, especially for people who don't have your number saved. You can now keep your profile up to date whenever you want. I truly hope this Viber profile tutorial was helpful. If it was, please give this video a like. It helps the channel a lot. And if you're interested in more social media tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Finally, I have a question for you. Leave a comment below and tell me, do you use your real full name on Viber or do you prefer using a nickname for privacy? I'm curious to know your preference. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.